What's up, guys? I'm actually going through the one funnel away challenge again. This is for the second time. I would have probably ended up doing it a second time on my own anyway because it's just so valuable. There's so much. I got so much out of the first time, and like I know that, repetition will really help build the skills and help it sink in more and everything. But actually, ClickFunnels is having me go through it, since I work for them this time, so that I can, they're having all of us on the support team go through this so we know what the customers are going through, which is really cool. I'm going to do a lot better documenting the whole journey this time and show you from, start to finish and the funnel I launch and everything. So look forward to that. Oh, so also, there will be a link for the OFA challenge, either in my bio or in the description. Go check it out. It's freaking amazing.